Well, I just got another toy to play with, and this one is a DJI NEO. And the main thing for this is not an actual drone to go up high and everything. People can buy controllers to make it do that type thing, but this one is designed just to be for simplicity. That's the main reason I've got it. If you look at it, that's my hand, and I mean it is small. It is really small, and it's built really durable. It doesn't have any kind of sensors. It can run into the trees and everything like that, but it's designed to follow you, and you can use it to do different things with that. And that's what I'm going to go out and experiment with a little bit right now. I've just got it. I went ahead and bought I think it was $22 for the 1 year of insurance, which you have to pay, I think, $19 if you were to tear it up, and I think it's $89 if it would fly away. So it's just a little bit of insurance just so I can get used to it a little bit. Normally I don't purchase insurance for my drones, and right now I'm running a firmware update on this particular drone. It does use an app that runs through your phone. You can utilize that to control it somewhat, and you have to use it to get it activated and everything like that through the Fly app. And a lot of people are a little bit worried because what this one can do, if you let it get out of hand, it won't fly home. If it goes out of range, it'll stick there, and it'll actually stay there until the battery runs down, and it'll land right there. So you got to be a little careful with it not to get too far out of range, and if you do, then you have to get back close to range again and use your phone to try to bring it in. It normally uses you're just by putting your hand out, it lands in your hand, it sees your hand, but occasionally it'll get stuck where it doesn't see you put your hand out to come back to land. So that's something to be aware of, and that's what I say. I was a little bit concerned at first trying this thing out. The nice thing about this is it's right at $200. Now I did buy the combo packet, which is a little bit more. It came with the 3 batteries and the actual battery charger kit, and we're gonna go out here and play with it a little bit. So with this drone, it's kind of nice because you can just you start it up, and you can just control it with the little functions up here of the little moves that you want it to do. So I'm going to do what they call rocket, because that's going to go straight up. I don't really have a lot of room, so I just want to do straight up on that one. So we're going to turn it on. Okay, so now what you do is you turn it around toward yourself, and you hit each one of these segments until you get the one you want.
Droney, circle, rocket.
Okay, there, I've got it in rocket now. So you want it to look at you, and you want to basically hold it.
3, 2, 1.
Well, there it goes. And it should go up and do its thing. It's gradually spinning to get me in the picture, and then what it's going to do is it's going to come back down and supposedly land in my hand. So we'll see what it does. Looks like it's coming back down. Wow, pretty impressive. So now what we're going to do is do a follow me. I did put that one a little bit higher than normal because I knew I had plenty of room for it. So we're going to do the follow me mode here.
Follow. Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, there it is, following me. when you're ready for it to re-land, you just bend it like this and you put your hand out and hopefully it comes down to you. Okay, on this other one we're going to do, it's going to be facing me while I'm talking, and we're actually going to try to do some sound recording. And the sound recording, it'll actually mute out the actual sound of the motors on this, so that'll be interesting to see how that works. All right, hopefully it's tuning out the motor sound, and it's in follow me mode right now, so we're going to see how well this works. Oh, I'm going to walk down the road a little bit here. I'm going to go down here for a little bit, turn around, and then we'll see if we can't do it a little bit higher. And I'm actually talking during the video, so it's kind of neat. The video can get that information at the same time. And it's about halfway up now. Heading back down. So that's about all I got for now. I'm pretty impressed with this so far. Like I say, it doesn't have any, it just has these prop guards, and it can slam into a tree, bounce around. They say it's pretty durable. It has cameras. It's not the greatest camera in the world. A lot of people complain about that, but for this little bit of things that I'm going to use this for, I think it's going to work out well. Again, this is not a drone you buy and you get cinematic pictures and crazy stuff like that. If you want to do that type of drone, you need to go to the Mini series, or at least the Mini 4K 2, or you could go, like say in my case, I've got the Mini 3 Pro. But this is definitely just for little areas that you want to highlight when you're walking around, or I'm going to take mine out hiking with me. And it's really small, compact. It's really hard to see this and imagine how small it looks bigger when you see it in here, but up front, I mean, this thing is probably, gosh, it's not very big at all. And it's just amazing how small and what this little package will do. So that's about all I have for this video. And have any other questions, put it in the comments, and we'll talk to you on another one.